Ooh. Oh, skates, guys.
So we see what we got, Brian.
Oh, skates, boys.
Pull a little drag. I like that.
Okay.
I like the sound of drag.
This could be the one.
Fishing a little Mille Lacs.
Working it hard, bouncing bottom, up and down. He finally came after it.
Okay, sometimes you just gotta finesse them, and sometimes you gotta just make them hit it.
What do we got down there?
Wonder if it's. I think it's probably gonna be one in the slot. I'm hoping. 20 to 22 this year.
Oh.
And 128 or above.
Oh, okay, come on now.
We see a white tail or not?
Yep.
Oh, that's a good one.
Nice one.
That's a nice one.
Oh, that's a nice walleye.
Take your time.
Okay.
Get the head up through there and you're good to go.
In there.
Here, I got your rod. Oh, nice fish. Nice fish.
Oh.
Hold her up for the camera.
Nice.
Nice. Mille Lacs. Healthy walleye.
That's
Really nice. Let's see how big it is.
I don't know where we at.
Stick him up on the board. Get his nose up a little bit. A little bit. More.
About 25.
More. All right.
About 25.
Nice. Stick him in the water.
Beauty. Okay. On the board.
Sometimes you get those at 1:30 in the afternoon.
Nice.